In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube thumbnail on Midjourney. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a thumbnail concept quickly and clearly using Discord and the Midjourney bot. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version, whatever you're already comfortable with. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your messages and bots. If you're new to Discord's layout, keep an eye on the left sidebar for servers and your messages panel. That's where we'll be working. Next, head to your direct messages. You'll find this in the left panel under the section labeled Direct Messages. This view is perfect for focusing on one-on-one conversations, and it's where we can interact cleanly with the Midjourney bot without the noise of a busy server. If your sidebar is crowded, use the search bar at the top and type the bot's name to find it faster. Now open your conversation with the Midjourney bot. In the message field, type the / command, /imagine prompt. After that, write a clear request like, make me a YouTube thumbnail regarding technologies. Think of your prompt as creative directions to a designer. The more specific you are about the look you want, the better the results. You can add details such as bright, high contrast colors, bold typography, tech-themed background, room for big title text, modern style. You can also mention the general shape you need, like 16:9, so the composition fits a typical YouTube thumbnail. Keep your language simple and descriptive. Avoid long sentences and focus on keywords that communicate mood, style, and subject clearly. Press enter to submit your prompt. The bot will generate a set of thumbnail options for you. Give it a moment to render. Image generation can take a little time. Once you see the results, look over each option and choose the thumbnail you like best. Pay attention to readability, contrast, and how well the design communicates the topic at a glance. Ask yourself whether the background supports a big title and whether the main subject stands out even when the image is small. If one concept catches your eye, that's the one to move forward with, and that's it. You went to Discord, opened your direct messages, prompted the Midjourney bot with a clear request, and picked the design you prefer. With a thoughtful prompt and a quick review, you can generate engaging thumbnail concepts in minutes. Experiment with wording, try different styles, and refine until you land on a design that fits your channel's brand and grabs attention fast.